Hey y'all, thanks for coming along with us on our big beach vacation. We finally made it to our destination at 26 Half Moon Lane in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. This is going to be our home away from home for the next week, and it is just the cutest little beach house, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of the house and also the neighborhood and the boardwalk and just the walk down to the beach. So just hang around and we'll get to it. Y'all, I instantly fell in love with every detail about this house, so much so that I went on Realtor.com to see how much it cost and was very quickly snapped back into reality because the houses in this neighborhood start around $2 million. So, yeah, I'll just have to be happy to stay here for a week, but it was so pretty. This home turned out to be perfect for our family. Our oldest, Sam, and his new wife, Avery, were able to go with us. And this house does have 2 primary suites with king beds. And so everyone got their own bedroom. We were able to spread out and just enjoy our time together or apart, whichever we chose. But nobody was, standing on top of each other. We were able just to spread out and enjoy our time. This screened-in porch was one of my favorite parts about this house. It's just, there's on one side you have an area just to sit down and watch TV if you want. And then on the other side there is a dining room table that you can sit out and eat breakfast or whatever. But I just thought that was just so neat and so thoughtful for a vacation home. So downstairs there is the one primary suite, and then upstairs are the rest of the bedrooms. There are 3 more bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms upstairs. And there's also just the neatest little sitting room with a desk. And the reason we like that so much is because my oldest Sam, he is kind of doing a working vacation. He works from home, so he's still able to travel and work from wherever. So he was able to use this desk and seating area for his job while we were here. This little bunk room was so cute. This is where Blaze, my youngest, stayed. He had the whole room to himself. There's a TV on the upper bunk and the lower bunk. And I just kept thinking to myself, boy, we never had TVs like this when I was little. But anyway, I thought that was really cute. And this is the last bedroom where my daughter Olivia stayed, and she also had her own TV and bathroom. And I'm starting to think maybe they have it a little too good. Just kidding. It was just a really nice place. So this is the boardwalk, and if you stay on it long enough, you get to the beach. But I thought we would, this is our first night here, and so I thought we would walk around the neighborhood, and I'll show you some of the houses that are here, and also their, I guess what is their HOA is what we call it in Texas, their pool facilities, and just all of the walk down to the beach, because it was breathtakingly beautiful. What we're coming up on here is the neighborhood pool house and facilities, and they have just a lot of really nice outdoor seating areas and a fireplace, and the pool is back in here as well. It is a heated and cooled pool, so just depending on the weather it can be heated or cooled, but everything was just meticulous and beautiful. So from the house to the beach is about a 15-minute walk, and most of the time you're just going over the lake, which is Deer Lake. But anyway, here we are. We're getting to the sand dunes and to the ocean. And just as we crossed over there, my kids spotted these 2 deer on the sand dunes, and I thought that was just the coolest sight. Well, we made it. We made it to the beautiful ocean. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're enjoying my videos, I would love it if you would subscribe. And we'll be back soon with more vacation videos.